We would like to show what happens when electrical noise is present coming from power sources. These electrical noises can create disturbances to consumer electronics and possible damage. For this demonstration, we will use a special device that will produce electrical noises being injected into a simulated LCD TV and how this noise can affect the performance of the LCD TV. As we turn on the demo device, you can see it's working properly by the digital counter. Now, we will inject a noise signal through our device to the simulated LCD TV. As you can see, when electrical energy is of poor quality or electrical noise, there can be a serious malfunction and possible damage. This is indicated by our device meter. You probably know this best when watching TV and someone turns on a hairdryer or a vacuum cleaner. The static that you see on your TV is called electrical noise, affecting the signal. Now, let's demonstrate what happens under the same test. But this time, we will connect the LCD TV to our transient voltage surge suppressor technology. Notice the device still works via the counter. And the noise signal that you saw prior has been completely eliminated. This is complete protection, taking noise away from your TV or your electronic device and keeping it decimated within our transient voltage surge suppressor. Thank you.